Okay, this is our Easy L. This is the workhorse of square roll. It's bolt blue, 304 stainless steel. It is definitely heavy duty, indestructible. It has this double bend. That double bend allows this to stick right to the timber with very little pressure. There's 1/2 inch increments all the way up, so you can do all of your layout without flipping over the tool. The top of the tool is 11.5 inches. That way you can put a housing on a 12-inch timber. There's a unique shape here at the 2 and the 4. And there's another unique shape at the 1.5 and the 3. And those shapes are put at numbers that are commonly used. You often use 1.5 and 3 for 6-inch timbers, 2 and 4 for 8 and 10-inch timbers. And just so you can identify those a little easier. And there's 11-inch slots, so there's plenty of room for laying out your mortises, your tenons, and your housings. The Star Hill Timber Frame Practices Manual shows you exactly how to use this tool to lay out your mortise and tenons, and you can download that at starhilltimberworks.com/start.